Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Crochet handbags, crochet dresses is a very nice dresses. You know the lookbook, beautiful looking dresses. And the dress, this dresses is very make the dresses she make panite. Colors play an important role. Soft petals like blushing lavender or dusty blue bring out champagne silver and gold touch. Designs vary, flowing aligned gowns flatter every finger, elegant fleur. Dresses create a ritual princess style, and dresses bring a touch of charm, perfect for outdoor or casual weddings. Some gowns be features be added of scan seconds or sleeves, adding sparkling without overpowering the bridal glow. Shawls, caps, or bolero jackets bring both model and style, making the outfit fabric breathing life into dresses flow gracefully with every step strings legs whisper and tally adds dreamy softness. Each fabric capture a different mood with their its classic modern or when combined with delicate embroidered crystal practicals. Every mother feels confident through the celebrations. Complete the look a sparkling, a pair of bell earring or a statement culturing elevate the outfit without overshadowing the bride's cues. Elegant and comfortable, carry with grace from the ceremony to the dance floor. And let's not forget hair and makeup, soft curly elegant buns or flowing waves paired with pride and a mother journey as she stands by her daughter watching her text moves. The mother elegance almost as a brightly as her heart. Whether you're looking for classic bride dresses are designed or to honor one of the most important roles on a wedding day. They embody don't only style but wedding day. They embody not only style but emotion, the joy of giving away our daughter with pride, love, and grace. So as we and dresses, remember they are not just outfit for a wedding day. They are symbols of family, of celebrations, and of timeless. With the gigantic luxury, would you like me to generate themed long scripts? While most crochet handbags, wall hanging, wall carrying, others can hold photo notes or small plants, other can hold photos, notes, or even lightweight accessories. This blend of art and practically makes crochet even more valuable in a home, both beautiful and useful. It proves home both beautiful and useful. It snowflakes for winter, heart for pumpkins for autumn, crochet handbags, snowflakes for winter, heart for to capture any oceans in loops. For while most crochet wall hanging are crochet handbag, crochet dresses, crochet into the designs, running the wall hanging into the storage for litters, keys, or even lightweight accessories. This blend of art the practically makes crochet even valuable. In proof that crochet is not just craft